Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the condenser fan blade in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the fan blade is broken, or because you're hearing loud noises from the back of your fridge. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go behind our refrigerator. And right here you see our power cord. It goes in behind this cardboard guard right here. So we're going to have to take out all these screws. And we're going to use our 1/4" nut driver to do that. Now that all the screws are off, we can take off this foam guard here. So this right here is our condenser fan blade, and in order to get it off, all we have to do is pull it straight out. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement fan blade. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now we're going to put our fan blade on, and all we have to do is just line it up with that rod right there and push it straight on. Now we'll put our cardboard cover back into place and slide that down underneath there. And we'll line up our screw holes as best as we can. And now we can screw everything back into place. And as you can see here, I didn't screw these on super tight. You want them a little bit loose, otherwise you're going to completely crush the insulation and the cardboard and rip it. But after you've done that, we can spin our fridge back around and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.